Hi, my name is Paris McLeod. I have been coming to Dr. Lee's office for about 3 years. It all started after a car accident when I was at work. We were hit head on at a red light from a lady going about 50 miles an hour. So definitely messed me up there for a little bit. I broke about 3 ribs, I believe, and was in the hospital for 2 days, developed back problems, and just pain in my lower and middle back a lot. After the car accident, I was seeing different doctors through the insurance company, but every doctor that I was going to or talking to was basically saying that there was nothing really either there was nothing wrong or that it was just part of the process of healing. But when you know that there's something wrong with you that's not supposed to be there, even if it's related to a car accident, I just knew that I had to do something different. So I got in contact with Dr. Lee probably about 4 or 5 months into like trying to go and see all these other doctors and just being told like either just deal with it or the pain will go away eventually, or even some have said it was like in my head. It was like the last straw because I didn't know where else to turn. So once I came to Dr. Lee's office and then actually had the thorough exam with him, he sits down with you for like a pretty long time, about like an hour, hour and a half, just trying to understand where you're coming from and the pain you're feeling. And then seeing the MRIs and actually someone saying like, no, this isn't in your head and you actually do need to like do something and make some changes for the pain to either lessen or go away. It was kind of like a breath of fresh air just to know that I wasn't being like a hypochondriac or anything like that. I started on the treatment, probably my pain level I would say was about like an 8 at the worst. A 10 full-fledged, like wasn't moving, couldn't like sleep, couldn't walk, couldn't shower, but like without being in pain. And then started coming here, started doing the treatments, did the program, and I've been coming here ever since. He gets very, very in-depth with the treatment and makes sure that no spot is like missed, nothing is like overlooked. There's different options for it. It's not just the same treatment every single time. You can go on the DRX machine, which is a decompression machine that basically kind of pulls your spine apart, but just to let the flow in of blood so you're not sitting there as stiff as a rock all day. And then they also have the therapy, the massage therapists, which do therapeutic massages, which is completely different than what I thought it was going to be, which helps to get like your tissues and your muscles to relax and calm down, which has been one of my biggest helps. Also, the realigning that he does, the stretches and everything like that, it's going to be painful, it's going to suck. But then you're gonna get up, you're gonna stand up, and you're gonna feel 1,000 times better. Kind of like someone just took like 10 book bags off of your back. I'm willing to work with you and understand each and every situation because I know that nothing is gonna be the same from one patient to the next. So that's another like thing that just kind of keeps you calm and makes you realize that like, okay, you're in good hands and that they just want what's best for you. So they try to do their hardest and work their hardest to make sure that they can achieve that.